We all love pasta, but the carbs and fat cause you to gain weight and add inches to your waistline. Well, now you can eat up while slimming down with the Vegitrim Gourmet Veggie System, the new easy way to make healthier pasta using vegetables like summer squash, fresh zucchini, crispy carrots, and more. Now maintaining your figure is easier than ever. Just a few twists of Vegitrim and you can create mouth-watering dishes like these without all the calories. Just look, this plate of ordinary pasta is over 800 calories, while this low-carb Vegitrim pasta is less than 125. Now easily make guilt-free seafood pasta or this irresistible low-fat gluten-free carrot cake. With Vegitrim, even get your kids to eat their vegetables with these colorful noodles and cheese. The secret is Vegitrim's ultra-sharp stainless steel blades that slice through vegetables like butter. The fine side has 13 blades for precise thin strips, and the coarse half's 9 blades yield thicker fettuccine-style noodles. So it's easier than ever to twist out piles of veggie pasta in just seconds.
You just pop it in the Vegitrim and you twist, twist, twist. It's easy, it's fast, it's fun, and it's healthy.
Eat Vegitrim raw in a salad, or cook them any way you like. Boiled, sautéed with olive oil, or simply microwave. Use the fine side to julienne some thin strips for this gourmet carrot salad. Twist again for a tasty, healthy Asian stir-fry. Or use the coarse blades for thicker zucchini noodles for the creamy fettuccine alfredo. Look, traditional alfredo has 1,480 calories and 80 grams of carbs. Fettuccine the Vegitrim way, amazingly only 322 calories and 10 grams of carbs. Now that's definitely a slim-down secret.
Since Vegitrim, I have lost 130 pounds. I feel great. I can do things I could never do before. I just love Vegitrim. I would recommend it to anybody.
You'll get it all. The Vegitrim Gourmet Veggie System, complete with fine blades, coarse blades, and veggie holder. Plus, you'll also get our recipe guide with dozens of delicious dishes you can make quickly and easily with your Vegitrim. Plus, we'll send you our healthy eating guide with secret tips on healthy eating and healthy living. Finally, you can enjoy pasta that's not fattening and heavy, but delicious, healthy, and a great alternative to jumpstart your weight loss. Vegitrim Gourmet Veggie System.